Welcome to Towns in Motion. Today, we'll be exploring LaPlace, Louisiana. Welcome to LaPlace, Louisiana, a town located on the east bank of the Mississippi River, right between Baton Rouge and New Orleans. With a population of about 28,000, LaPlace is a part of St. John the Baptist Parish, and today we're taking you on a relaxing ride through its streets. LaPlace sits at the crossroads of U.S. Highway 61 and Interstate 10, making it a key connection point for travelers heading east or west across South Louisiana. This town sits just 10 feet above sea level and has deep roots in Louisiana history. The name LaPlace comes from the Basil LaPlace plantation, where a railroad stop was built back in 1883. It was first called Eugenia, but by 1892, the name officially changed to LaPlace. A post office soon followed, and the town grew steadily from there. LaPlace is a town where community matters. Most homes are owner-occupied, about 79%, with a median home value of just under $189,000. That makes it an affordable option for families and first-time homeowners. The median age here is 37.5, and families often own 2 cars per household. On average, residents commute about 31 minutes to work, with most driving alone, enjoying the peaceful Louisiana roads. LaPlace stand out is its flavor. It's known as the andouille capital of the world. If you're here in October, don't miss the annual Andouille Festival, a celebration of Cajun culture, music, and of course, delicious smoked sausage. This unique food heritage is woven into the fabric of daily life. From local butcher shops to small diners, you'll find recipes passed down for generations. LaPlace is more than just a stop on a map. The town is home to churches, schools, and parks that bring residents together. It's a slower pace of life, and even though it's close to big city attractions, LaPlace keeps a strong sense of small town community. Bayous, swamps, and riverfronts, LaPlace is also a gateway to the natural beauty of South Louisiana. Just a short drive outside town, you'll find scenic views of the Mississippi River and wildlife-rich wetlands that are perfect for fishing, boating, or simply exploring. and the new. Local businesses thrive alongside national chains. You can grab a po' boy at a neighborhood deli, then pick up groceries or run errands without going far from home. Despite its size, LaPlace has what you need, without the hustle and bustle of the city. Passing through, planning a visit, or looking for a place to call home, LaPlace welcomes you with open arms, and maybe a little andouille too. we explored LaPlace, Louisiana. Make sure to subscribe for more episodes of Towns in Motion.